How to make Facebook lead ads. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make Facebook lead ads easily. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to facebook.com and you will sign into your account. In order to create ads, you require a business account or you require a page on Facebook. So you can see right here, I have this business page on Facebook and we have our own Meta Business Suite. This is where we work to create ads. So let's get into it. I'll just open up my Meta Business Suite. In Meta Business Suite, you can go to All Tools and then click on Ads Manager. This is our business.facebook.com/ads manager. And this is where we can create ad campaigns and ads on Facebook. Today, we will be creating a lead generating ad. We will not be creating a promoting ad. It's going to be an ad campaign to generate leads. In order to create a new campaign, you will find the option right here, Create Campaign. Click on it. Now, we have to choose the objective of the campaign. You can see we have awareness, traffic, engagement, and then we have leads. Collect leads for your business or brand. Good for instant forms, messenger, conversation, and calls. So I'm going to select the lead option because today we are creating lead ads. Click on continue. It will take you to your editor where we have to create our campaign. So the first thing is going to be the campaign name. So you will give it whatever name you want to add. I'm going to call it test lead campaign so that I will know that I created for the video. Okay, so this is going to be the name of the campaign. You can also create a template if you want. Moving on, we have to select the category. In categories, we actually get credit, employment, housing, special issues, and other things. So I'm just going to select the credit option. Then we have to select the country. So you will select the country of your campaign where you will be running it. So you can just select like country or regions. So I'm going to go with regions and select, for example, European. Let's go with this one. Okay, perfect. Moving on, we have about this category. How declaring this category helps. Special ad category requirements. So you can check these options as well. Helps prevent discrimination. And then modified audience option, modified form option, and increased transparency. So I'm going to click on modified audience option where we can modify the audience. And while creating ads on Facebook, I keep in mind to actually modify my audience and customize my target audience because it's an important part of our campaigns. Options are fixed to include ages from 18 to 65 plus. Okay. Gender options are fixed to include all genders and cannot be changed. Okay. Location, postal code or zip code, custom audience. So these are the different information about the audience. It looks good. I'm going to close it. Moving on, we have campaign details. So buying type is going to be auction. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the buying type to something else if it's available, or you can go with auction. Campaign objective is leads. This is an important option and this is what determines that why you're running the campaign. We already selected it and it's leads, to generate leads. Creating ads is quite similar no matter what objective you have. So you can just select whatever option you want to. Moving on, we have A/B split testing. We know that on Facebook, we can actually create A/B split testing type of ads where we compare two ads. But for now, I'm not going to do that. But if you want to do it, you can just check this option and then you can select two campaigns and two ads to run at the same time. Then we have the Advantage campaign budget. Click on own and you will be able to select a campaign budget. So you have to select a daily budget or a lifetime budget. So I'm going to go with daily. And how much you want to spend daily, you will enter right here and select the currency of your choice. We also have the campaign bid strategy if you want to go with that. Once you have added all of the different information right here, you can move on to the new leads ad set. So click on ad set and it will show you the different lead set. Now, lead set and campaign is different, like an ad set or campaign that you create. And with a ad set can have different ads included. So again, you can see they have added the same name. And now we have to set the conversion. If it's going to be website, instant form, messenger, instant form and messenger, or call. These are the effective ways to generate leads. So I'm going to go with website, or we can also go with instant forms. If you want messenger, whatever is your main source of getting the audience and to get the traffic, I'm going to select website. Then we have our pixel that we can add. We have budget and schedule and audience again. This is where you can select your audience. As I showed you in the lead campaign, it showed you that it's set to 18, from 18 to 65. So this is where you set it. I can select from 18 to maybe 18 is okay, but here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select till 60. Or you can target your desired audience. In gender, I'm gonna go with all languages, all languages. So this is where you will set up all of the different information. And then we have a new leads ad. So we have a test lead campaign and then a lead set created. Let's go back to the test campaign again. And this is where, again, it depends on you. Make sure to go through all of the different settings and set up all of the different options according to you. You can review your campaign. You can review your campaign from here. You can see campaign name, test lead, ID, special ad category, buying type, objective, and ad set. So this is what it looks like. You can edit it out anytime. Once it's done, you will click on next. All right, so this is where again it takes us to the ad set, and this is where I will set the ad set. We have done it. Click on next, and here we have our ad, new lead ad. Facebook page, select the page where you will be running the ad. I'm gonna select this one. Moving on, we have the option of again setup, manual setup, format, single image or a video, carousel or collection. I'm gonna go with the single image or a video. Then we have to enter and add the media or create a video. So I'm just going to add one image. You can add the headline. This is the, visibility of the ad, appearance, where we can select video and image, primary text, headings, description. This is what people will see on our ad. Destination. Once you're done with this information, this is where you will work on the ad, especially. So you will enter all the details. In destination, you can select a website, add the website URL, display link, call extension, languages, tracking, and then click on publish. I'm just creating it for the purpose of the video, so I'm not going to publish this ad, but you will just click on this option once you've added all the details about your new lead ad, and you're good to go, and you will be able to run lead generating ads on your Facebook. The process is really easy. You just need to set up the campaign, ad set, and create your ad and run on Facebook to generate leads and run a successful business online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.